actually the back door, it broke the light.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing? Hey, what's going on, man? I do a lot of YouTube. Can I come in?
Yeah, I see your videos all the time.
JacobViral, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Hey, how you doing? So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Carlos, I got 2 Crescendo 5500s.
Okay.
Powering up 615 Sundown V2s.
Nice.
At 0.67 each amp, 2 amps.
Okay. Is there what's the box tuned to?
35 hertz.
35. Who built it? Looks good.
Josh, they call it the JJ box.
JJ box. Okay. What's your electrical?
2 370 amp alternators, 2 3400s up front, and 2 5 3100s.
Okay.
Group SS power, just AGM.
Okay. Got it. Nice. All right. Oh yeah, I do a lot. I do a lot. Yes. Appreciate it. Is there a way I can see the back and the amp and all?
Actually, the back door, it broke the lights.
It did? Okay. Let's not. Yeah. Oh, so you got them underneath?
I got the Crescendo 55s underneath. We can show you. You can pull up that seat.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Are these at, since it's 3 per sub?
Yeah, 0.67.
0.67. Okay.
You can pull the seat down too.
Just pull it? Oh, wow. You have the magic touch, I guess.
Yeah, that seat has to go back more.
Oh, okay. Nice. Looks really good. So the back hatch is, what kind of port is?
What do you mean, at the bottom?
Yeah.
Straight port.
So a slot port?
I believe so.
Slot instead of arrow port, it's
Yeah.
slot. Okay, got it. Nice. That looks good. I'm gonna take a picture real quick. You want to be in it? All right, it'll be the thumbnail, so. All right, there you go. Nice. Thank you for showing me, and thanks for watching, man. I really like the system, and you got your back seat, so you kind of have everything hidden. It's a really essential build, and you got good cone area.
Yeah.
You happy with it?
I love it. I mean, I want it louder.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I bet you gain a dB or 2 if you did a wood roof.
Yeah,
It's a big sacrifice, but.
You got 4 layers of dynomat and then.
Really?
And, what is it? The foam in the can?
Yes.
So it's pretty.
It is solid, yeah. It didn't flex too much, yeah. Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
On my doorstep out, I'm shaking the block with 418s. Candy green with 11 screens. My gasoline always supreme. Got dirt on the ground with a pain of lean. It tastes grinding to be a king. It tastes grinding to be a king. First round up, ooh, it's Mike Jones coming. Slap shining with the grill and one. Mike Jones, the one and only. You can't clone me. Got a lot of haters and a lot of homies. Some friends and some phony. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then, hoes didn't want me. Now I'm hot hoes all on me.
Chain light up like a ball is similar to an ant. Cause I'm low to the earth, people still out what I worth. I got it. Looking out at the club, I'm showing out. I'm there, ain't no doubt. Hoes wanna know what I'm about. Biggest diamonds off in my mouth. Richest cuts all in my chain. Rain out in my rain. When I switch lanes, switch a house or switch a blast. Mike Jones, he bring the game magnificent by this cash. Michael Watts, he made me hot.
champ. My chain light up like a lamp, cause now I'm back with the camp. I'm calling similar earth, people's feeling out with a word if I got it. At the club, I'm showing out. I'm a player, ain't no doubt. Hoes wanna know what I'm about. Biggest diamonds off in my mouth. Prison all in my chain. When I switch lanes, switch a house or switch a blast. Like Jones, bag, everything by this cash. Like a watch, make me hot. So phony, damn hot hoes all on me. Damn hot hoes all on me. Damn hot hoes all on me. My chain light up like a lamp, cause now I'm back with the camp. I'm calling similar earth, people's feeling out with a word if I got it. At the club, I'm showing out. I'm a player, ain't no doubt. Hoes wanna know what I'm about. Biggest diamonds off in my mouth. Prison all in my chain. When I switch lanes, switch a house or switch a blast.
That's pretty good, man. And it's got good bandwidth. I mean, being a porter box, it's pretty impressive to see that when normally bandpass on. I like that. Nice job. Thank you for the demo, man.
I watch all your videos.
Oh yeah, I do a lot. I do a lot. Yes. Appreciate it. Is there a way I can see the back and the amp and all?
Actually, the back door, it broke the latch.
It did? Okay.
I can't open it,
Let's
but
not.
yes, I can show you.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.